What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Fibonacci 101. How to identify supports in market. Select Fib Retracement. First click on low. Second click on high. 0.61 level is called golden ratio. This is the level where we look to buy. $50 is also an important level. 0.786 also. Which low and high to select? Select the lowest point on the chart to the highest point of chart. Now let's see how to identify resistance. Select Fib Retracement. First click on the highest point on chart. Second on lowest point. 0.61 is called golden ratio. .5 and 0.786 is also important levels to US. Now let's see how we can trade on graphs. Select Fib Retracement. Once we have identified low and high as studied earlier, draw it. Watch the 0.61 golden level. But wait! Don't trade blindly. Look for bearish candle to trade. We have already made video on this topic on this channel. If you have watched our bearish candlestick video, you know this is bearish power candle. But wait! How to take targets? Always aim for one fib level as first target. Don't forget to like this video. Let's look for another example. Here. Apply the same rules. Wait for price to come to your levels as shown earlier and confirm with candlesticks. HPR candle spotted. Don't know this candlestick? Then make sure you watch our candlesticks video. Take one fib levels as first targets. Now let us see an example to find support. To find support, first click on low then high. This is a beginner's videos. If you want us to make an advanced video, then comment down. Also drop a like on this video to show your support. Watch them. Thank you for watching.